How to fix hotspot not working on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can fix if hotspot is not working on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if hotspot is not working on iPhone, what is hotspot? Hotspot will only work if you have cellular data, because you cannot share your Wi-Fi to someone. You can share your mobile data to someone. So if you have turned on cellular data instead of Wi-Fi here, you basically open settings, then just go to cellular, and here you can see personal hotspot. You can tap on personal hotspot, turn it on. You can also see and change your personal hotspot password, and other people will be able to find you on your hotspot, and then they will be able to connect it to you. Now if you're not being able to use personal hotspot, here also you can see personal hotspot off, so you need to turn on cellular data. To fix it, you can go to general, you can try a normal update which is of your device, go to software update, just try to check if your device has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version, which will hopefully help you solve the problem. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.